pump gas every Saturday night. Now I'm cruising downtown and I'm feeling alright. No smoke, no rumble, no engine roar. Just plug it in and hit the road once more. Hey everybody, gather round. There's a brand new ride in town. Plug into tomorrow, drive away today. Shockwave Motors, leading the way. Engineered much smarter, built from the start. Less can do much more, that's the clever part. It plugs in easy to a wall at home, 100 miles before you know you've gone. Less to buy and less to maintain, more fun driving every day. Less battery,
Less weight,
less cost.
now that's smart.
Built for commuters,
Built to last.
the future's here and it's moving fast. Plug into tomorrow, drive away today. Shockwave Motors, leading the way. Smarter engineering, simple from the start. Innovation made affordable, that's the clever part. Whoa! Shockwave Motors.